Hello guys, my name is Eugene. I just got this Ansso battery plate adapter for my Sony A6500 from China, all the way from China. This is the box, nothing special. This is the plate, the battery plate, and screws for mounting different mounting options. This brand was recommended by Caleb Pike. The thing is all metal with a rubber coating on the back. Very sturdy, unbelievable quality. Just love it. This is my Sony A6500. And voila, everything is working perfectly. I guess I'm gonna need a cage. Now I'm using a bracket, but I don't like it. So maybe my next purchase is gonna be a cage. This is how it looks like. This is my baby. Thank you. Bye-bye.